Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Psychology of True Crime with me, RC. Today, I'm going to be covering the Donna Adelson case. Victim here was Dan Markel. On July 18, 2014, Dan Markel was shot in his garage by two hitmen. After investigation and 2 years later, when the hitmen were arrested for this crime, one of the hitmen spoke about what had happened, who was Luis Rivera. Luis Rivera gave very important information to law enforcement, and he literally broke the case. After Luis Rivera went ahead and did his proffer, Sigfredo Garcia was arrested, who was the shooter. His girlfriend and the mother of his children was also arrested in the same year. After both Garcia and Magbanua went on trial and lost. They both lost. They both got life without parole. Uh, Charlie Adelson, who was Donna Adelson's son, was arrested. He was also tried and found guilty and also received a sentence of life without parole. Right after Charlie's sentencing, within a week, Donna Adelson was arrested at the airport fleeing to Vietnam with her husband Harvey. Now, Dan Markel was the former son in law of Donna Adelson, who was married to Wendy Adelson. And Dan and Wendy had two kids. This entire case is having to do with parenting styles. Donna Adelson's parenting style, which is coupled with authoritarian, mainly authoritarian parenting style. And there's a little bit of authoritative parenting style that Donna Adelson goes ahead and moves forward with throughout her life, not only when her children were minors, but even when they were adults. Donna Adelson reportedly exerted tight emotional and ideological control over her children, all three of her children, especially Charlie Adelson, who has also been convicted in the case. Her parenting style appears to align with classic authoritarian traits. According to psychologist James Marcia, identity foreclosure occurs when individuals adopt the values and expectations of authority figures, usually parents. In Donna Adelson's case, her control was masked by love or as love. Her involvement in her children's lives, including financial support and legal interference, may have been presented as care, but served as a mechanism of control. For example, Charlie Adelson may have internalized Donna's values, such as family loyalty over justice, hostility towards Dan Markel, without fully examining his own moral compass. Donna's influence likely created an enmeshed dynamic where personal identity and family interests were completely blurred, setting the stage for moral disengagement and justification for extreme actions, in this case, violence. The Donna Adelson case is a stark reminder that extreme authoritarian parenting, coupled with identity foreclosure, can have lifelong and even deadly consequences. It highlights how unchecked psychological control within families can distort judgment, suppress moral reasoning, and ultimately lead to devastating outcomes, not only for those directly involved, but for generations to come. This video highlights just one striking part of the Donna Adelson parenting style, the part that in many ways set everything in motion towards this crime. I'd like to add, if someone could do something, it doesn't really mean that they should. And in this case, they did. in any event, I hope to catch you on the next one. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave me a comment with which case you'd like to see me cover, and I will do my best to do so. Bye for now.